Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Al Munir High School e-learning system. Class 2. Today our unit number is 4 and the topic is colors. From the book we learn English. By Oxford. Unit number 4, colors the rainbow. The rainbow. Let's start the reading. Here are some questions. How many colors are there in a rainbow? Can you count them? How many colors are there in a rainbow? Can you count them? I can see these colors. I can see these colors: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo and violet. These are the 7 colors of the rainbow. Which colors? Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo and violet. And you can see these colors in this rainbow: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo and violet. These are the 7 colors of the rainbow. Come to the next page. The activity time is Bilal is painting. Help him to fill in the colors. A red fire engine, a blue twice. Now you have to color this page. A yellow check. You have to color a engine, fire engine with the color red, and a blue toy you have to fill it with the blue color. A yellow check and fill this check with the yellow color. Okay, let's read this page and understand what Bilal is doing. When Bilal mixes red and yellow, it becomes orange. When Bilal mixes red and yellow, it becomes orange. You can see yellow and red becomes orange. When he mixes yellow and blue, it becomes green. When he mixes blue and red, it becomes purple. Yellow, blue and red are primary colors. Orange, green and purple are secondary colors. Now remember this. Yellow, blue and red are primary colors. Orange, green and purple are secondary colors. Red, yellow and blue colors जो हैं वो किसी कलर से मिलकर नहीं बनते, ये प्राइमरी कलर्स हैं. लेकिन जब हमने इन दो कलर्स को मिक्स किया तो हमने एक नया थर्ड कलर मिला हमें. तो इसका मतलब है कि जो कलर्स किसी से नहीं बनते, यानी रेड, येलो एंड ब्लू कलर आर द प्राइमरी कलर, and when we mix two colors and get new color, that color called secondary color. So orange, green and purple are secondary colors. Now it's writing time. Number 1 is name 3 things you can paint using the yellow color. Now we have to write the name of 3 things in which we can use the yellow color. First you have to write here mango. Write the spelling of mango. M A N G O. Mango. and write the next name sunflower. Sunflower is also in yellow color. So write here sunflower. Write first sun and then flower. S-U-N, sun. S-U-N, sun. F-L-O-W-E-R, flower, sunflower. And write the third name banana. B-A-N-A-N-A, banana. The number 2 is name 3 things you can paint using the red color. Now write the first name apple. Write the spelling of apple in this blank space. A-P-P-L-E, apple. A-P-P-L-E, apple. Now write here strawberry. S-T-R-A-W-B-E-R-R-Y, strawberry. And write the third name of a thing cherry. C-H-E-R-R-Y, cherry. Now come to the next page. Now we have here a poem in this page, traffic light. Red light, what do you say? Red light, what do you say? I say stop, stop right away. Yellow light, what do you say? Yellow light, what do you say? I say start, start right away. Green light, what do you say? Green light, what do you say? I say go, go right away. Very good. Let's read it again. Red light, what do you say? Red light, what do you say? I say stop, stop right away. Yellow light, what do you say? Yellow light, what do you say? I say start, start right away. Green light, what do you say? Green light, what do you say? I say go, go right away. Very good. Okay. Activity is this. Draw a traffic light signal in the box given above. Now you have to draw traffic light signal in this box. And the next is writing time. Fill in the blanks. The red light says stop. So you have to write here stop. S-T-O-P, stop. Right here stop. S-T-O-P, stop. Number 2 is the dash light says start. Which light says start? Yellow light. Very good. Now write here yellow. Y E double L O W. Write yellow here. Y E double L O W. Yellow. The green light says go. The green light says go. Right here G-O, go. G in small letter and go is also in small letter. G-O, go. Okay. The words white, red and other colors आर डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड्स. वो क्या हैं? डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड्स हैं जो कि वर्ड्स को डिस्क्राइब करें, वाज़ेह करें. और एडजेक्टिव और उनके एडजेक्टिव्स हैं. दे टेल अस मोर अबाउट नेमिंग वर्ड्स और नाउन. और वो हमें नेमिंग वर्ड्स और नाउन के बारे में और मज़ीद और बताते हैं, वाज़ेह करते हैं. ओके, नाउ कम टू द नेक्स्ट पेज. The next page is another poem. Now read a new poem about a color. White. White is my rabbit. White is my rabbit. Soft and fluffy. White is my rabbit. Soft and fluffy. White is the snow, cold and icy. White is the snow, cold and icy. White is the milk that makes me tall. White is the milk that makes me tall. White are my teeth, sharp and small. White are my teeth, sharp and small. Okay. Writing time is write 3 words that describe a rabbit. Now write here the first word. It's small. Small. Write S in small letter. S M A double L. Small. And write the next word about rabbit. Strong. S T R O N G. Strong. S T R O N G. Strong. And the third word is F. Furry. Furry. F U double R Y. Furry. F U double R Y. Furry. Number 2 is write 2 words that describe snow. Write 2 words that describe snow. And the first word is white. The snow is white. Write here W. W in small letter. H. All the letters in small letters. W H I T E. White. W H I T E. White. Now write the second word. Snow is crystal. like crystal. So write the spelling of crystal and write all the letters in small letter. C R Y S T A L, crystal. C R Y S T A L, crystal. Number 3 is write 2 words that describe your teeth. White, W H I T E, white. Now write the next word, sharp. S H A R P, sharp. This all work is already given in the notes. Now come to the next page, describing words. Now read it. I want a pretty dress. I want a red bicycle. I want a new oven. I want a big bowl. Now you can see the underlined words are describing words. The underlined words are describing words. Underline the adjectives in these sentences. Now first we read the sentence, then I underline the adjectives. I highlight the adjectives, you underline them. The student is clever. The student is clever. You have to underline the word clever. Clever is the adjective. The sun is hot. Underline the word hot. Number 3, the boy is thin. Underline the word thin. Number 4, the sky is blue. Now underline the word blue in this line. Number 5, the bird is small. Now underline the word small. Yes, done it. Okay, come to the next page, opposites. In Quetta, it is cold, but in Karachi, it is hot. My brother's coat is old, but my coat is new. The lift goes up and down. The rabbit is small, but the elephant is big. Open the window and close the door. My father is tall, but my uncle is short. Now you can see in this paragraphs the underlined words are opposites. Cold, the opposite of cold is hot. Old, new. Up, down. Small, big. Open, close. Tall, short. These are the word opposites. Come to the next page. It's writing time. Now match the opposites. The first word is light. you have to match light with the dark. Light, dark. Fat, thin. Tall, short. Hot, cold. Big, small. Now rewrite the passage by writing the opposites of the underlined words. Now you have to rewrite this paragraph and which words you have to make them opposite that are underlined in this paragraph. So I am reading this paragraph, and when you are writing this paragraph, you can understand how to write its opposites. Sarah is feeling sad. You must write here Sarah is feeling happy. The opposite of sad is happy. She is going to a small zoo with her parents. Small zoo, small का opposite क्या होगा? Big. She is going to a big zoo. B-I-G, big. और happy के spellings क्या होंगे? H-A-P-P-Y, happy. She is wearing an old dress. The underlined word is an old. She is wearing an new dress. A new dress. An नहीं आएगा. A new dress. तो N-E-W, new. She sees an animal with a short neck. With a short neck, short का opposite tall. T-A-double-L, tall. The door of the cage is open. The door of the cage is open. So the opposite of open is close. Write the spelling of close. C-L-O-S-E, close. There is a small white bear inside. There is a big black. White का opposite क्या होगा? Black. There is a big black bear inside. B-I-G, big. Small का opposite आप लिखेंगे big. B-I-G, big. White, black. The opposite of white is black. So write there B-L-A-C-K, black. There is a big black bear inside. Sarah enjoyed her visit to the zoo. Now students, you have to rewrite this paragraph in these lines with their opposites. These are primary colors. As I told you before, red, yellow and blue are the primary colors. Mixing of colors. When we mix red and yellow, it becomes orange. And when we mix yellow and blue, it becomes green. And when we mix blue and red, it becomes violet. The secondary colors are now orange, green and violet. Yes, we read the poem. Red light, what do you say? I say stop, stop right away. Yellow light, what do you say? I say start, start means wait. start right away. In green light, what do you say? I say go, go right away. When the red light, we stop the cars, we stop the vehicles, and with the yellow light, we wait and start the cars. And when the green light appears, we go. Okay? Describing words. Describing words. I am describing that this boy is tall. This man is strong. The girl is sad. The boy is happy. The boy is fat. And the rabbit is fast. Opposite words. Happy, sad, up, down, hot, cold, in, out. Left, he is moving to left, right, and the opposite of left is right. Boy, girl, on, off, open, closed. These are all the words opposites. We already done the book work. Now we have to do the copy work. And first you take out your copies and start writing words, meanings. The first word is big. And the meaning of the big is large. Meaning of the big is large. The second word is hot, and the meaning of the hot is warm. Third word is short, and the meaning of the word is meaning of the short is small. Now write the sentences. The first word is sharp. Now write here, my teeth are sharp. M-Y-T-E-E-T-H, teeth. A-R-E-R-S-H-A-R-P, sharp. My teeth are sharp. The next word is soft. I have a soft toy. I have, H-A-V-E, have, a, S-O-F-T, soft. I have a soft pillow. P-I-L-L-O-W, pillow. The next word is small. Now make the sentence with the word small. And write the sentence. My pencil is small. The fourth one is tall. I am a tall boy. Students will make sentences with the help of the mother. Question and answer. What is the color of the rabbit? The color of the rabbit is white. Write the question. What is the color of the rabbit? And the answer is the color of the rabbit is white. The color of the rabbit is white. Next question है, how many colors are in a rainbow? And write the answer. There are 7 colors in a rainbow. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo and violet. Now students, learn this unit with the help of your parents. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.